Hi guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my tiny little channel. As you saw, my office area, my little desk area in my apartment is in disarray. So I am going to go through all of these papers and all of this clutter, throw things away, put things away, and just get this area tidy.
Something special for you. And now you got me thinking till the sun comes up. Daylight and my mind is dreaming, and I'm saying too much couldn't be enough.
This is the corner of my apartment that you rarely see because I sit my tripod here, so it is never in the shot unless I am filming from the other way, which I don't ever do. So this is definitely a treat for you to see this corner. I don't show this because I normally have work stuff out and exposed, so just before I turned on the camera, I did put away a few things that I did not want to show on camera. But yeah, this is definitely the corner that is the most cluttered. This corner has so many different aspects of my life in it. My work is done here. All of my mom paperwork and stuff for school is over here. I have a couple of notebooks with a bunch of YouTube stuff in it over here. So this corner is very busy, and because of that, it is super messy.
You're exotic. My eyes can see perfection in the way that you move. Boy, you got it. Devotion's getting stronger with all that you do.
If you watch my vlogs, you know this little baby has not been feeling well, and I spilled medicine all over my top, so I had to change.
Yeah, I'll be waiting. I'm just a couple steps from going over the moon. I wanna move with your body, baby. I wanna move with your body, baby. I wanna move with your body, baby. Let me move with your body, baby. Ooh, yeah.
Started working where I work now, I was an intern, and I had the opportunity to sit under a lot of different people that were working on a lot of different things, and I took a lot of handwritten notes, and I kept all those notes in all of these different notebooks. So now I use those notes as a reference now that I'm not an intern anymore, and they are super helpful. So I just store all of those notebooks and notepads in a basket that's on the shelf behind me.
Can't take my eyes off your silhouette. So today I have planned it out so carefully. I know the things that you like. We'll be singing and dancing on the way. I got plans for you all day, all night. 'Cause we're running out of time. So
Naturally, I have to go over this spot again because the wheels on my chair messed up my vacuum lines.
Baby, it's your birthday. Now you don't have to wait no more. So get ready, get ready, get ready. Just want you for myself all day. Let me show you what I got in store. So get ready.
And we are all done. This definitely took way longer than it appeared to in this video, but I am so glad that I took the time to do this. Having a clean and organized workspace is so important for productivity, and it definitely helps reduce anxiety while you work. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!